And so I don't know if you've tried these yet. They're really, really nice, and you get in a foil packet. So I guess that keeps in the freshness and the flavour and stops some biscuits from going soft. So you get 3 in a pack, and they're basically like this. And if I stick with my spoon in, it's quite deep, as you can see. It tastes really, really nice too. It's like I guess like a digestive type style biscuit. And the chocolate, it's got like a hazelnut type of flavour to it. Well, it has got a hazelnut flavour to it. It's absolutely gorgeous. In fact, yeah, chocolate, hazelnuts, and it's whole grain. Really, really nice. And they're filling as well.